hit that nipple right there, or do I want to go to the left of it?
Nope. Because over here, what it does is it sucks you around. Remember? Remember, he went right up that cliff. Aim for the right spot up on top.
With my tire?
Yep.
With my passenger tire?
Yep. Try it from there. Okay. Go. Nope, not today. Not in the water. Not in the water.
Yeah.
Yeah. Stickies would be nice.
Stickies would be great.
I know where there's a set on the shelf.
Yeah.
Some red dots would be all right.
Chose not to put them on.
Do you see what your tire did? You just went up. Want me to put my coat down so you keep your tires dry?
Am I asking for trouble if I keep after it?
Yes.
I mean, no, as high as you got, it didn't even come close. You haven't even got to where it's at. Not today.
You might
pull up and come over this way.